Hello everyone, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel, and I have a super cute customized Blythe doll with me today. I've named her Dixie, and she just has the craziest hair. Unfortunately, the artist who customized this doll does not do it anymore. I will put a link to the original unboxing of this doll down below, and there's a link in there that brings you over to her website, or what her website used to be, and it's not there anymore. So she was out of Spain, and she actually seemed to be doing pretty well. I remember she had a lot of dolls that had the same kind of look. They very similar face up and carved face. Like, she could tell she had an aesthetic. She had a rhythm. I guess she was probably, banging these out for a while. And then, I don't know, for whatever reason, it wasn't sustainable, which seems to be kind of the story with a lot of customizers. It's a lot of work, and not everyone can afford them. She was a very reasonably priced customized doll. So she is a TBL, not a real stock Blythe doll. And I think she only has, I'm trying to remember her eyes. Her eyes are sleepy eyes. Here are the pull cords. They're kind of on the heavy side. Oh, that's a little charm that my sister Tapping Flamingo made, because I was a teacher. So that's a little apple for the teacher charm there. But so here's her side blue. I think all her eye chips are basically the same from what I remember. She did not color her eyelids. That was not a thing done a whole lot back then. So there's some front facing eyes. Side blue. Front blue. I mean, the eye chips to me are practically the same color. She does have pierced ears, but no earrings. Oh, she's signed on the back. There you go. 016, fall 016. Moodles. Yeah, so it was 2016, fall 016. I want to say it's 2016, but I don't know what 016 would be. I think it would just say 16 or 2016. Anyway, she's adorable. She has an outfit on that she's had for quite a while, sort of a cute Maury girl style. I know this dress is not going to fit her, but I was just kind of curious how it would look, and if there's a way I could kind of, like, I don't know, pin it or something so she would at least be able to be displayed in it, because it's so cute. I picked it up from the virtual doll convention website for Ann Fitzpatrick, designed by Mark Tinkey. I also picked up these really cute tennis shoes. Now, again, these are going to probably be too big, but I don't know. I'm going to see if I can finagle it. Can I MacGyver it, so to speak? At least the dress. So they don't have these shoes on the virtual doll convention and boutique anymore. They still have this dress, which kind of surprised me. But so let's just take a look. I think there's like 2 layers here. It's a dress with the dress, like a white dress or some kind of slip thing underneath it, and then the blue dress over top. So yeah. So oh, okay. Oh, so really, like, you could just wear that. You could, if you were a doll. She could wear that, and then she has this to go over it. And okay, so this makes sense with the, as I wasn't completely sure. I mean, I liked it, but I was like, but yes, okay, that makes a lot more sense now that I see these little straps here, which I hadn't seen before. So let's look at these tennis shoes. They just look so cute, and I love rainbows. Rainbows and unicorns. Okay, people. Look at it. And they're sparkly, too. My gosh. All right, so let me go ahead, and I'll just do a little chitty chat here. This sweater I got from somebody on Etsy a while back, and it's so cute. In fact, I don't think she's making many Blythe size sweaters anymore. I'm lucky I got a few when I did. She still has a shop there, but last time I checked, I think she was making stuff for larger dolls. I get it. Making things for these little dolls can be very fiddly. And this dress she has on, I think I got it from somebody just as part of an outfit when I purchased a doll from somebody. I do not have a ton of customized dolls, but honestly, that's where the reason I really got into Blythe to begin with was the whole idea of doll doctoring. And I love the fact that you can take these dolls apart and create characters with them. We'll leave those little panties on her. Let's see if we can make this work, girl, because it sure is cute. I mean, I can put it on Anne, but I just changed out Anne's outfit. I just thought this would look so cute if it fit this particular Blythe doll. I thought it would look so cute on her. All right, let me get snap you in there. Actually, this little dress by itself is really cute. I love the idea of having the straps as rainbow straps. That is adorable. With maybe some like those little tennis shoes. Just that and the white dress with the rainbow straps is very cute. Okay, fingers, come on, cooperate. Yes, you can see already, like, oh my gosh. But see, if I wanted to, I could maybe pin this. Oh, I just lost a sock. I could maybe pin this like that. Either with like a straight pin, or sometimes you can use little clips, that kind of thing. Where'd your socks go? All right, I don't know. This is looking not very promising. Got to admit. But you know, sometimes you just got to play around with the dolls and see if you can make something work. I like to do this sometimes when maybe I'm kind of tired and I don't have the energy to sew or actually, you know, use my brain too much. I feel like this is still kind of something that speaks to my creativity. Look at her. Oh, Dixie, I don't know, honey. I do not know. Let me bring this up. Guys. Oh my gosh. I mean, look, this would be so cute on her. Let's go ahead. Let me get her hands back on. Make sure I have the correct hands. I am notorious for putting the hands on the wrong arms. All right. So this has little hooks on the back. Wonder if I could... See, like if I could fold this... There's a little clippy thing. I don't want to put pins in this fabric. It's a delicate... It's kind of delicate fabric. I don't want to put holes. In fact, both of these... The white dress also is... feels like a silky kind of nylon. And I would not want to put straight pins in there and damage it, because Anne will wear this someday, you know. I just wanted to see. Oh, that's not too bad. It's kind of cute that it covers her hands. And let's see. I know these shoes, yeah, are going to be massive. Even if I put socks on, it's like, let me see here. Oh my gosh. Let me put the other sock on. The socks help kind of keep them on, but you can see, yeah. Love these shoes. All right, Anne said you could borrow these for a while. All right, so I'm going to stand her up and try to see if I can get her to just look okay as far as if I wanted to just have her displayed in this and see what it looks like. And then I'll switch the camera down here so you can tell me what you think. All right, I switched her shoes to these shoes versus these Anne shoes. I just felt like they looked almost like clown shoes on her. This helps a little bit. And if it weren't for the sleeves, I think the rest of it, because I pinned it back there, she could definitely get away with wearing this. It's so pretty. But yeah, Anne's going to be wearing it pretty darn soon. Sorry, Dixie. Look at, she's all pouting. She goes, come on, man. Let me wear this. All right, I'll have to find something else for her to wear here, but I gave it a shot. Well, I'm back. The more I looked at it, the more I thought, this outfit belongs to Anne. It just did not look right on poor Dixie. So I put it on Anne. I switched out her wig. It looks so cute on her. Shoes fit her really well. I didn't realize there were little laces in there, so I pulled those out. Yeah, and I really like the fact that there's actually two dresses here. I mean, not that you would wear this one by itself, unless, you know, she just not that type of girl. But I like the white dress by itself. I think that would look really cute with some sandals, maybe for this summer. And then that meant I had to find something for Dixie to wear. And in keeping with the idea of rainbow, I found this really cute t-shirt I had, I Heart Unicorns, and it's rainbows. And then look at this. I had this little barrette already. She has a mass of hair. It's always hard to stick stuff in her hair. And then I went ahead and kept the tennis shoes I had already pulled out, and I found this cute little skirt. So the two of them look super cute together in the dolly room, hanging out for a while. And I had a nice little afternoon of just playing with my dolls and relaxing. And that's it. I'm signing off again. Bye-bye.